Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader if it's not opening. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, right click on the shortcut and click on properties. Now go to compatibility right here and tick on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Okay. Once done, hit on apply, hit on OK. Now go ahead and open it up and check if it helps. Okay. Wait for it to load. There you go. And it now requires you to sign in. Just go ahead and sign in and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your taskbar, right click on a blank space, click on Task Manager, find the search bar and type down Acrobat. Okay, now go ahead and close everything right here that says Acrobat. Okay, right click on it, click on End Task, right click and Task. Once done, go ahead and double click on it and check if it helps. Okay, now, if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down local app data. Okay. Don't forget to add in % right here and % right here as well. Okay. % local app data %. Click on it and go ahead and click on app data right here. And as you can see, we have 3 folders. So first up, go ahead and go to local, click on Adobe, right click and click on delete. Okay. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on continue. Once that's done, go back to app data, local low right here, double click. We have Adobe under local low, double click on it, find Acrobat, right click on it, hit on delete. Once done, go back to app data, roaming right here, Adobe, Acrobat, and Adobe PDF. Okay, right click, hit on delete. Now once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer. Now launch Acrobat again or Adobe Acrobat and you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.